January 31st, 2016. And this kind of storm cloud, I guess you could call it, came out of nowhere. Like it was not there 10 minutes ago. And look at these features of it. It's really weird. And down here you got some bubbling stuff. But I'm not even kidding, this thing was not here 10 minutes ago. It all just appeared. Maybe this is that orgone technology, I don't know. It didn't look like EMF though. I didn't see any pulsing or anything like that. Just out of the blue. And if you look right here, it's not even moving, and it's extremely windy out here. It's literally frozen. And right here it looks like a plasma. It's smooth. It's very bizarre. I'm going to keep my eye on this because I have a feeling that this is going to be a really cool sunset. I mean, just look at that. It's crazy. Alright guys, I'll make another video after this changes a little.